Welcome to Attaché. In this video, we're going to show you 7 fantastic ways to turbocharge your payroll and HR processes. We'll show you how easy it is to meet your single touch payroll reporting obligations with Attaché Payroll. Plus, we'll demonstrate a number of great employee self-service options you can bring to your business immediately to help make everyone's life easier. I'm Marianne Witchman. I have 25 years experience in payroll software, providing solutions to businesses across Australia, New Zealand and the South Pacific. Our clients are typically businesses who have outgrown old multi-user desktop systems or who've found small cloud systems lack the functionality their business requires. While smaller companies may put everything in the cloud, medium and larger businesses do prefer a hybrid system. Attaché is a hybrid system, some on-premise and some in the cloud. Single Touch Payroll is the biggest payroll reporting change in Australia's history. It changes the way businesses report information to the ATO. Under STP, employee payments like salary and wages must be reported to the ATO every time you pay your staff, rather than just at the year end. It is this direct digital connection to the ATO that is new and requires all payroll systems to be upgraded to accommodate. Attaché's Single Touch Payroll solution takes advantage of our hybrid system. Your core financial data is managed locally. The required payroll data is then pushed into the cloud and onto the ATO. You're in control every step of the way. Your normal pay run stays the same. Once finalised, you find the latest payroll information packaged up and ready for submission to the ATO in Attaché Online. Our software has inbuilt validation. You can also review the information yourself. The authorised signatory submits the data to the ATO. And that's it. It really is that easy. A confirmation will be provided back from the ATO. This will be displayed in Attaché Online so you know they've received the file and the status of the file. We'll also send you any changes via email. But there's more to Single Touch Payroll than upgrading your payroll software. STP impacts many other parts of your business, including your internal processes and even your employees. We strongly recommend you download our STP checklist today to help you on your STP readiness journey. You can grab a copy from our website. Now let's take a look at some of the great new employee self-serve options. Imagine you've got a new staff member joining called Amelia Williams. You probably have a printed pack of forms that you need Amelia to fill in, and then you rekey that information into your payroll software. Now you can give Amelia a better first impression and save your valuable time. New starters can provide their personal information. Mandatory fields ensure there's no missing information, so you don't have to chase up on missing paperwork or incompleted forms. Tax file declaration, superannuation choice details, bank details, and the Fair Work Information Statement approval, all supplied online with Attaché. There's no double entry of data as Amelia's details flow straight through into the Attaché Payroll. You can even start the employee onboarding process before Amelia commences work with you. So Amelia is now on board and wants to get a better idea of who else is in the organisation. She can simply log into the employee portal and view an employee directory or organisation chart. The employee directory is a list of all staff and their titles and contact information. The organisation chart gives a pictorial view of the reporting lines within the company. Amelia can click on any team member and drill down to see their direct reports. And any employee can also access and edit their own profile. Importantly, any updates flow back into the Attaché Payroll system. Employees and their managers also have access to an online leave management system. Here they can view entitlements in both hours and days, and any leave history. Say Amelia needs to request a sick day. She can do this easily from any device. Attachments such as medical certificates can easily be uploaded, and any comments can also be added. Submitted leave requests trigger an email to the manager for approval, and once approved, the leave request is seamlessly sent into Attaché Payroll for processing. An email is also sent back to the employee so they know their request has been approved. Leave calendars show where everyone is each day. They provide a central location where all employees and managers can view leave plans or other staff and identify periods of over or understaffing. Public holidays can also be highlighted. The leave calendar can also include non-payroll employees, such as contractors, whose leave needs to be tracked and also planned. Timesheets allow staff to enter their time worked from anywhere, anytime, and from any device. They can be used by both employees as well as contractors, like Adeline Smith. They simply enter the hours worked and submit for approval. Additional rows can be added for work covering multiple weeks or non-standard hours such as annual leave. Any leave already entered via the online leave management system will be pre-populated into the timesheet. Notes can also be added for the approver, along with any supporting documentation. Once approved, the timesheet is seamlessly sent to Attaché Payroll for processing. It also keeps a digital record of hours, which eliminates paperwork that can sometimes be forgotten or even misplaced. An email is also sent back to the employee or contractor so they know their timesheet has been approved. Attaché MyPay is a personal inbox for your employees. It provides a secure online location for pay advices and payment summaries to be sent. Employees can view and print their most recent pay advice or summary anytime. In fact, they can access up to 42 months of past documents. This is great when they need to provide supporting documentation for a mortgage or a loan. MyPay can even be accessed after staff leave your employment. They simply log on, view and/or download their documents, all without bothering you. But perhaps most importantly, MyPay takes care of your fair work obligation to provide a pay advice to your employees within 1 working day of being paid, even if the employee is on leave. If you are using Attaché's accounting system, the same document management functionality is available for all your customers and suppliers. They can reprint invoices, statements, and remittance advices instead of having to contact you. The core Attaché Payroll software allows you to manage your payroll by exception. You have a standard pay set up for each employee, so on processing day, you only have to enter the exceptions like overtime and terminations. This saves time and simplifies the payroll process. Attaché Payroll provides the next level of functionality and flexibility for medium businesses. There are no limits on the number of employees. There are no limits on the number of companies. There are no limits on the types of leave, employee bank accounts, super funds, pay elements, or even the pay frequency. You can integrate with biometric or clock card systems. The system is multi-user, and access rights allow you to control which users can perform particular tasks. Businesses in Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, and all over the South Pacific rely on our software as it caters to all the relevant local legislation and tax requirements. Workflows make it easy to navigate through the software and assist with day-to-day processing of tasks. New users of the software love them. They make learning the system so easy. Here you can see the complete payroll process. Clicking on any box in the workflow or the hot buttons navigates you to that task. If you are using our employee onboarding functionality, then employee details, bank account and super account information will automatically flow into the payroll software. All you need to do is add in the sensitive employee pay information. The employee master file contains all the personal, pay, tax, and leave details for an employee. You can also take advantage of the 15 custom fields. For example, you may need to record license numbers and/or renewal dates. It also links the employee to a folder that can contain various documents such as contracts, forms, even photos. It replaces the old filing cabinet, creating that paperless office. You can add any pay elements, including allowances, deductions, cost centres, and leave tables as a once-off task. Any new superannuation funds entered via the onboarding process will also flow through into the Attaché Payroll system. SuperStream is built in. There is no need for you to engage with a third-party clearinghouse. Clients have also highlighted the benefits of being able to group employees. For example, you may have staff in your warehouse covered by an award. If the award rate changes, rather than updating every employee file separately, you can update once at the group level. Payment schedules give you the flexibility to manage non-standard but regular payments. These are frequently used for automating loan repayments or paid parental leave, garnishees, and various other allowances and deductions. But we understand that your requirements go beyond payroll processing. Reporting is just as important. Attaché allows you to report in 3 ways. There is a library of standard built-in reports covering not only the current pay, but also history reports to cover any auditing requests. Dashboards provide a helicopter view of the whole payroll. And custom reports can be created, once again highlighting the flexibility of our software to cater to your needs. To find out more about STP or the other great ways to turbocharge your payroll and HR processes, we invite you to contact one of our payroll specialists today. Attaché Payroll is STP compliant and our solution has been endorsed by the ATO. Download your STP checklist now.